tick down month to month, off 3% from June's all-time highs as the fall market continues to cool off. However, August did close out with buyers paying a median of 100% of the original list price. It's Friday, September 17th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. The Baltimore metro area median sales price is up 5.9% over last August to $345,000. This is an August 10-year high and marks the highest number of sales in August over the past 10 years. The typical home sold in just 7 days in August compared to 6 days in July. Prices for the Baltimore metro area are up 11.5%, breaking down county by county as follows. Anne Arundel County prices for August ended at $425,000. This is 7.6% over last year's prices. Baltimore City saw prices up 14.2% since last August to $213,000, 20.6% year over year. Baltimore County is up 5.3% to $300,000, which is 11.3% year over year. Carroll County trended up at 4.9% to $407,500, 11.9% year over year. Harford County is up 8.6% to $341,450, an 8.9% gain year over year. Howard County is up 7.1% to $481,707, which is 8.5% year over year. The Maryland Eastern Shore prices are up 14.5% year over year, with Carroll County up 6% to $265,000, reflecting a 20.3% increase year over year. Cecil County is up 5.1% to $278,500, a 12% year over year increase. Dorchester County marked the highest sales price increase, ending at 19.5% gain to $233,000 in August, a 15.7% year-over-year increase in sales prices. Kent County increased 4.1% to $280,000, or 14% year-over-year. Queen Anne's County had a 12% gain to $420,000, which is up 10.8% year-over-year. Talbot County checked in at 8.5% higher to $459,500, an 8.3% year-over-year gain. The Southern Maryland area saw prices gain 11.4% overall, and Calvert County saw an increase of 6.9% in August to $415,000, a 9.7% gain. Charles County saw August sales prices up 15.8% to $404,250,000, 12.5% year-over-year increase. St. Mary's County trended up 8% to $337,000, reflecting 8.7% year-over-year rise. The Maryland suburb prices are up 10.2%, with Montgomery County up 14.6% to $555,000, which reflects 11.5% year-over-year increases, and Prince George's County went up 9.9% in August to $390,000, an 11.3% increase in sales prices year over year. The Southern Maryland area saw prices gain 11.4% overall, with Calvert County prices increasing in August 6.9% to $415,000, a 9.7% gain year over year. Charles County saw August sales prices up 15.8% to $404,250,000, 12.5% year over year gain. St. Mary's County trended up 8% to $337,000. That's 8.7% year-over-year rise. The Maryland suburb prices are up 10.2% overall, with Montgomery County checking in at 14.6% at $555,000, which reflects 11.5% year-over-year increase. Prince George's County is up 9.9% to $390,000, an 11.3% year-over-year increase in sales prices. Rentals are at 1,118 units and an average price of $2,100 and under application within 12 days. That's your market snapshot for Friday, September 17th, 2021. Thanks so much for tuning in. Join me next Friday for another update, and be sure to subscribe for new content. Have a super, super weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.